Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening my FabFitFun box for the season of fall. And yes, I am getting this really late, and yes, there was a lot of drama involved in me getting this box. That is why this will be the last FabFitFun box that you will see on my channel. I'm not going to get into it all, but we will just have fun unboxing this and get on with our lives. So, hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and I am an unboxing channel. I am a makeup channel, and I also talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health topics as well. And if you are interested in any of those subjects, then please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you are interested in seeing what I am getting in my FabFitFun box, it's a big one this time, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, with the box you get this little magazine which usually tells you the choices that you get to pick from, but instead it gives you this little QR code which I can't scan because I use my phone as my recording device. So we are just going to go through the box and I will show you what I chose. And they give you a lot of crap in the box. I don't know what else to call it. But the first thing I see here is the Solstice diffuser that I ordered. And I'm very excited about this. This is the diffuser liquid, and these are the reeds it comes with. And this is the diffuser container. So you put the reeds in there like that, and you put the diffuser liquid in there like that. And it makes a nice scent around your house. I plan on putting it back there somewhere. So that was my first choice that I decided on with this box. And what else did I see? I see something from our house. I think this is a candle that I ordered. Yep. I think I ordered the Moroccan Spice candle. I love candles. So it's a little candle in a little tin like this. And it has a very spicy, kind of like allspice kind of smell. So I got that. I'm very happy with that. And what is this? Zoe Isla comb, eco-friendly comb set. I think this was part of a set that I got. So it's 2 pairs of combs that you see. My daughter might like these. And I think it came with this right here, which is the 2 bandits. Which I believe is a catch-all tray. Which kind of goes like this. And you put whatever you want, your keys, your jewelry, things like that in it. I haven't decided if I wanted to keep this yet or not. It's just plastic. And it has a little felt thing in those. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. It was one of those choices where you couldn't figure out what you really wanted. Oh, I'm on the plan where you pick everything in your box. Okay, what is this? A Dove Advanced Care. This is just something they threw in the box. LMS, this is something I picked. The Papaya Enzyme Peel, Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator, Advanced Skincare. That is something that I picked. And I picked this Marina Biome Brightening Ampule from Earth Harbor. So it's like a serum. I always pick a lot of the skincare. And I got this Pearlie's Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I probably got it because it said pumpkin on it, and it's full. I actually got my box in fall. Everybody else got their box in the summer. I actually got my box in the fall. Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Gently detoxifies pores, clarifies, and brightens, exfoliates, and purifies. Oily combination, normal, even sensitive. So it would even work on my sensitive skin. And the last thing in here I'm excited about is the Dose & Co. Pure Collagen. It is unflavored collagen peptides. No artificial ingredients, 10 grams of collagen per serving, and hair, skin, and nail support. So, hello you, we're here for your daily dose of health and wellness. Collagen is nature's answer to health and beauty, both inside and out. Our high quality natural collagen protein supports skin elasticity for smooth, useful skin, as well as strong hair and nails. So I'm going to enjoy putting that in my coffee every day. So that is what I got in my FabFitFun box for this month. If you got your FabFitFun box, let me know what you got in it, if we got any of the same things. Sorry about that. I'm trying not to hit the camera as much as I did in yesterday's video. I am so sorry about that. And, yeah, let me know if we got any of the same things, if you are subscribed to FabFitFun, and how are you enjoying it. I'm sorry that this is the last box I will be showing, but things just happen. Things just go wrong sometimes. And give this a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps my channel out, and it only takes a second. And like I said, leave me a comment down below. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and picks up your day so that you can have a wonderful week or weekend whenever you are watching this. And if you're having an especially hard time, I hope for you, well, I hope that time can heal all your wounds and that I am sending out good vibes to you. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and to stay safe. And hopefully I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. And alright, stay well and stay healthy until then. Alright, I will see you soon. Okay, goodbye.